Alright guys, this is my first ever unboxing video, unpacking video I've ever done before, I've ever wanted to do. And today I'm going to be opening 4 packs of Cozmo Blazer, first edition, and Onslaught of the Fire King structure deck. I'm not really sure where to start, to be honest, because this is my first unboxing, but let's go ahead and get this open, and then we'll start with the packs and move on from there. What the hell? Okay. So it comes with official rule guide, playmat, the deck list, and tip guide, plastic piece, and of course the structure deck. Alright, now let's start with packs. Alright, we get Heraldry Change, Spear Shark, Heraldic Beast Eel, Spell Wall, Hyper Agent Sharp Megalodon as our rare, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Raven, After the Storm, Dodo Bot, and Spike Shield with Chain. Alright, let's see what we have in the second pack. It's hard to do this when I'm looking through a camera. Okay, 5 Formation Tensin, 0 Zarok, Garbage Lord, 5 Formation Tensu, our rare ZW Lightning Blade, Abyss Scale of Cetus, Amaryllis, I think, 5 Formation Tenkin, and Red Duston. Sorry if I'm sounding so monotone right now, I'm pretty sick at the moment, but I was excited about these packs, so. Third pack, Dimension Gate, Spell Wall, March of the Monarchs, pretty awesome art, Heraldic Beast Ale again, Rare's Blackwing Gladius of the Midnight Sun, Hazy Flame Griffin, Dodo Bot, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Raven, and 5 Formation Tensu. Alright, now on to the last pack. We have Drak Impact, Hazy Pillar, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Raven, After the Storm, Slacker Magician as our rare, 5 Formation Tenki, Inari Fire, Ignition Beast Volcanon, and Go Ghost. So overall, I think it's pretty good. Now onto the structure deck. I haven't really been in the Yu-Gi-Oh scene in a while. I mean, the last I was in was before GX came out, so I've got quite a lot to catch up. So, just to go over the rare cards is Fire King High Avatar Garunix, Onslaught of the Fire Kings, and Circle of the Fire Kings. Fire King Avatar Barong, Fire King Avatar Kirin, Sacred Phoenix of Nephthys, Manticore of Darkness, Goka the Pyre of Malice, Hazy Flame Hippogriff, Laval Lancelord, Flamevale Fire Dog, Flamevale Poon, Neo Flamevale Saber, Royal Firestorm Guards, Volcanic Rocket, Volcanic Counter, Molten Zombie, Spirit of Flames, Raging Flame Sprite, Foxfire, Flame Tiger, Little Chimera, UFO Turtle, 2 UFO Turtles. Moving on to our spell cards. We have Rekindling, Blaze Accelerator, Wild Nature's Release, Pot of Duality, Hand Destruction, Creature Swap, Burden of the Mighty. Onto our traps. We have Backfire, Flamevale Counter, Phoenix Wing Wind Blast, Horn of the Phantom Beast, Blast with Chain, Spiritual Fire Art Kurani, Regretful Rebirth, Nightmare Wheel. That's a very old looking card. And Call of the Haunted. Overall, I think it's from what I've read up about it, it seems like a pretty good deck. I've never used a new deck. The deck that I use now is the Lost Sanctuary structure deck, and it's pretty good, but that's another video for another day. And this about does it for the unboxing. I will be doing a review once I get an actual play with the deck, playtime with the deck, and that's about it. So thanks for watching, and peace out.